Ever pondered on the art of crafting a tantalizing spicy pineapple rice shrimp? Well, today is your lucky day. Dive into the world of culinary delights as we unravel the magic behind this mouth-watering delicacy. Kick off this culinary adventure by gathering all necessary ingredients. You'll need a fresh pineapple, white rice, shrimps, red bell pepper, green onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sriracha. Don't forget the pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Start by cooking 2 cups of white rice until it's perfectly fluffy. While the rice cooks, peel and devein about 20 shrimps. Now slice the top off a juicy pineapple and hollow it out, saving the delicious fruit for later. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add a tablespoon of oil. Toss in the shrimps and cook until they turn a lovely pink. Remove the shrimps but keep that flavorful oil in the skillet. Next, it's time to sauté the veggies. Toss in a diced red bell pepper, a couple of sliced green onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Sauté until the aroma fills the room and the bell peppers become tender. Now, retrieve the cooked rice and add it to the skillet, along with the pineapple chunks you saved earlier. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sriracha. Mix everything until the rice is coated in the sauces and the pineapple bits are evenly distributed. Finally, add the cooked shrimps back into the skillet, giving everything a good stir. Season with salt and pepper to taste and let it cook for a couple more minutes, allowing all flavors to meld together. Voila! A masterpiece called Spicy Pineapple Rice Shrimp is ready to be served. Scoop the mixture back into the hollowed-out pineapple for a creative and appealing presentation. Garnish with some chopped green onions and serve hot. To recap, this deliciously spicy pineapple rice shrimp recipe begins with preparing the rice and shrimps, followed by sautéing the veggies, and then combining everything with the sauces. The final touch involves serving the dish in a hollowed-out pineapple, making it an eye-catching centerpiece. So the next time your taste buds yearn for a tropical, spicy, and seafood delight, remember this recipe. It's a beautiful blend of sweet, spicy, and savory that will transport you to a tropical paradise with each bite. It's not just a dish, it's an experience, a culinary journey that's worth every moment spent in the kitchen. Enjoy.